prosecution would certainly have you believe that Little Bear killed Goldilocks, and they make a pretty good case. Hell, I almost felt sorry for him myself. But ladies and gentlemen of this supposed jury, I have one final thing I would like you to consider. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Chewbacca. Chewbacca is a Wookiee from the planet Kashyyyk. But Chewbacca lives on the planet Endor. Now think about this. That does not make sense.
Oh gosh, it's the Chewbacca Defense.
Why would a Wookiee, an 8-foot-tall Wookiee, live on Endor with a bunch of 2-foot-tall Ewoks? That does not make sense. But more importantly, you have to ask yourself, what does this have to do with this case? Nothing. Ladies and gentlemen, it has nothing to do with this case. It does not make sense. Look at me. I'm a lawyer defending Little Bear. And I'm up here talking about Chewbacca. Does that make sense? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not making any sense. None of this makes sense. And so what you have to remember when you're in that jury room deliberating and conjugating the Emancipation Proclamation, does it make sense? No. Ladies and gentlemen of this supposed jury, it does not make sense. If Chewbacca lives on Endor, you must acquit.